Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find and share an invite link from any group on WhatsApp. By sharing an invite link, it will be simple and easiest way for people to join a particular WhatsApp group with ease without having to add them directly. Now the first thing you need to do is to go and find the group from which you want to share the link. Go ahead and hit on top of the group to open further details of the group. Scroll down until you find invite link. Hit on invite link to open the link. Now here we can see the link of this group. Now to get it, we simply need to hit the copy link button and the link has been copied. Once you've done so, go ahead and send it to your friends and to as many people so that they can join the group. From here they'll receive the link to the group from which they'll be able to join the group. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to share any group link on WhatsApp. If this video was helpful to you, kindly like it and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye for now.